In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mask images and text in Figma. This is a fantastic way to create visually engaging designs that really stand out. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's jump right into it. First things first, the very first step is to open your design in Figma. Go ahead and locate the file you want to work on. Once you have it open, you'll see your canvas ready to go, and that's where the magic will happen. The next step is to add a shape of your choice. This could be a rectangle, circle, or any custom shape that fits your design intent. To do this, just select the Shape tool from the toolbar on the left side of the interface. Then click and drag to create your shape. Remember, this shape will serve as the mask for either your image or text later, so choose a shape that complements your design. Now that you have your shape in place, the third step is to ensure it's positioned correctly in your layers. Right-click on the shape you created and select Send to Back. This will put your shape behind the elements that you want to mask. It's important that the mask is in the right position, as it defines what part of the image or text will be visible. Once that's done, it's time for the fourth step. Select the frame that contains the shape and any additional images or text you're working with. With the frame selected, look for the option that says Mask. You can find it in the toolbar at the top. Click this option, and voila, you should now see your image or text being masked according to the shape you created. But we're not done yet. Now let's move on to masking text. For the fifth step, select the text that you'd like to mask. Again, right-click on the selected text, and this time choose the option that says Use as Mask. This will allow the text to act as a mask for whatever background you wish to place within it. This step is what adds a unique element to your design, as it gives your text depth and character. Now that your text is masked, let's proceed to the sixth step. You need to drag the background image or color into the mask group of the text. You can find your background in your Layers panel. Just click and drag it right into the mask group. When you do this, you'll see the text revealing the image behind it. It's such a simple but effective way to enhance your designs. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily mask images and text in Figma to create stunning visuals for your projects. I encourage you to experiment with different shapes and images to see what works best for your designs. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please take a moment to like the video and subscribe for more design tips and tricks. Happy designing!